Hello everyone. I want to talk about something that's close to all of us, self love and body positivity. How many of you have ever felt a pang on insecurity when you look in the mirror or wished you could change something about your appearance? It's okay, we have all been there. But today, I want us to explore a different perspective together. So let's take a moment to think about the last time we said something negative about ourselves. Maybe it was criticizing our appearance or feeling like we were not good enough. Now imagine if we could replace those negative thoughts with love and acceptance. How would that change the way we see ourselves? How would it change the way we interact with the world? I want you to know that you are not alone in this journey. We are all here to support each other. Every one of us is unique with our own strength and quirks. And guess what? That's what makes us beautiful. Our imperfections are what makes us real, what makes us human. So I invite you to join me on this journey of self discovery and self love. So let's challenge ourselves to replace self criticism with self compassion, to see ourselves through a lens of kindness and acceptance. Together, we can create a community where everyone feels valued and loved, just as they are. So, today we are talking about this EFT technique, and I would love if you can experience this technique with me. So, just tap along and feel the difference, and you can comment your feelings in the comment box. So, now we'll start with the karate chop. Even though I sometimes struggle to love and accept my body, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. Even though I sometimes struggle to love and accept my body, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. Even though I sometimes struggle to love and accept my body, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. Now we'll tap with the meridian points. Sometimes I feel like my body is not good enough. I have this thought that I should look different. It's hard to love myself when I compare to others. I feel like I'm not enough. I want to love and accept myself completely. Even though it's hard, I choose to love and appreciate my body. I am worthy of love and acceptance just as I am. I release all negative thoughts about my body. Take a deep breath in and out. Again, we'll go with the second round. Even though I sometimes struggle to love and accept my body, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. I choose to see the beauty in myself. My body is unique and special. I appreciate all the amazing things my body does for me. I deserve to feel confident and comfortable in my own skin. I forgive myself for any negative thoughts I have had about my body. I am worthy of love and respect, no matter how I look. I choose to focus on the things I love about myself. I am enough just as I am. I am enough just as I am. I am enough just as I am. Relax, take a deep breath in and out. Now just stay in this peace and note down all the beautiful thoughts which are coming out, and you can write it down in your diary so that you can be more aware of your self beauty. So you can throughout the day you can tell yourself that I am beautiful inside and out. So feel free to modify this, and you can comment your personal experience in the comment box. Thank you for tuning in. Have a nice day.